It is definitely a beautiful and sunny day in the city of Lagos. I'm a bird, and we are about to tour a property that defines lux and comfort. First, we're going to start with the spacious compound that allows 4 to 5 cars, and of course, you have a carport right there. Now, take a look at the aesthetics of this beautiful property and just the exterior. Let's go look at the interior. Come on, you guys. Welcoming you to this home is this stand and study oakwood door that leads you directly to your anteroom. And of course, above me, you can see this beautiful, lovely, simple chandelier. And over here is the guest toilet. Everything beautiful and properly fitted. And now let's go to the living room. Guys, how spacious can this be? This is beautiful. Look at this beautiful, simple chandelier standing right there. Very lovely. And of course, the detailing of the walls. Very lovely shades. I will not forget to mention this living room has lots of windows that allows you a beautiful view of the lagoon, natural lighting, and of course cross ventilation. The living room takes you directly over here to the dining area. Enough space for your dining activities, and of course this beautiful chandelier. Lovely. Let's go on to the kind of kitchen that makes cooking a worthwhile experience. With enough space to walk around, this contemporary kitchen is one to die for. Fully fitted with your washing machine, your double wash sink, and of course a bold, beautiful faucet. Lovely cabinetries, and of course this high gloss wood cabinet. It is awesome. Of course, also fitted with your gas burner and an induction hob right in the center of it. You have your heat and smoke extractor, your oven. What is there not to love about this kitchen? Enough storage, and of course, this double door refrigerator leaves your foodstuffs properly preserved and cold. Come first. Come and let me show you. Are you ready for this? One, two, three. And coming back into the house from the swimming pool area is an alley that leads to the guest room. And just by my right, you have a beautiful view of the swimming pool. Imagine having to watch your kids have fun at the pool and swim while you're inside. Amazing. And now let's go see the rest of this amazing property. As we walk up the stairs, notice the beautiful detailing of the walls, the lovely lights that you have. With a beautiful chandelier that's standing right there. And just to my left is the master bedroom. Very spacious with enough windows to facilitate natural lighting and cross ventilation. And of course, this beautiful wall cladding. Lovely. Oh wow, look at this beautiful water view. How amazing would it be to wake up every morning to this lovely view? Splendid. Meanwhile, please like, subscribe to our YouTube channel to get more content like this. To my left is the bathroom, but before we get there, I love a beautiful walk-in closet, and this is beautiful. The lovely lighting and the beautiful cabinetry. Enough for your storage activities. Let's go back to the bathroom. Talk about a lovely master bathroom that makes your bathroom activities work well. Lovely bathtub, beautiful vanity, shower with the pool, and of course your toilet space and your water heater. Amazing, really beautiful and spacious. And of course for the master, you have a private balcony. I could live here if I could. I will live here if I could. The lovely view of the water. Stepping out of the master bathroom and just As we walk in front is the family lounge. How beautiful, how spacious is this family lounge with a balcony right over there, and of course your wall cladding. And to my left is the third room in this amazing property. Spacious, beautiful, awesome lighting. And of course you have your beautifully fitted bathroom. Amazing. You have your shower pool, your vanity, and of course your toilet. You wanna left out so you have a closet for your storage activities. Let's go to the fourth and the fifth room. Further to my left is the fourth room. It's no surprise that this is also really spacious. Of course, you have a closet for your storage activities. You do. And also, is your spacious. I really love the space in this house. Everything is just massive. Of course, you have your bathroom. You have your vanity. Of course, admire yourself while you do your bathroom activities. You have the shower, pool, and of course, the toilet. And let's take you to the last room in this amazing 5 bedroom, fully detached. Of course, just as lovely as the others. You have your space, you have, of course, your wardrobe, your closet, and of course, your bathroom. And there you have it, guys. This beautiful 5 bedroom, fully detached duplex is located in one of the most sought after estates in Lekki. And guess what? It is price friendly for a water view property. Talk about affordable luxury. Now, if you like this property as much as I did, go ahead and contact us to help you put your name on the title. Bye, guys.